Guys, a quick one. This is the voice of Web3 Simplified. In today's video, I'll be guiding us on a step-by-step process on how to claim your PAWS token to an exchange and also trade immediately. So I just want you to pay attention so that you know the right one to pick and the reason why you are picking that particular one, and also how to trade it when it is live. So for those who doesn't really know how to trade on exchange, I'm going to show you the efficient way on how to trade, because on the day of trading you might be expecting other people to help you trade. So before they will finish trading their own, the price must have already reduced. So that's the reason why I'm guiding you in this video, so that you'll be able to sell immediately it is being launched. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so without further ado, let's go straight to just logging into your PAWS. That's pawscommunity. So you click on TG dashboard. All right, so you click on it, then you click on next to see your allocation. You can see the claim icon is now live. All you have to do is just go ahead and claim and click the claim button, then you confirm. Then after you confirm, you'll be given option to choose whether you are using on-chain. On-chain will be on 18, but for now centralized exchange like OKX, um, other exchange are live, but only two are available for claiming. So these are the two options they gave. They gave us Bybit and Binance, so Bitget. So the reason why we are using what is it called, Bit, you can see Bybit and Bitget. Bitget are actually giving extra token to those who pick their exchange. So if you have Bitget, I'll prefer you use Bitget. All right, if you have Bybit, you use Bybit. So but if you want to leverage on the extra giveaway that they're actually giving, you can choose the Bitget option. So I've done that, and I believe we are going to use by Bitget. All right, let's use Bitget instead of Bybit, since they are giving extra amount. So you just go ahead, open your Bitget exchange, open your Bitget exchange app. Right, so you just go ahead, you log in your data. All right, so after you've logged in, so the first thing to do, click on your profile and copy your UID code. Right, so you go ahead, you paste in the UID. All right, so you go again, you copy your address. This is how you copy. Click on assets, then you click on spots, click on add fund, click on deposit crypto, then you search for PAWS. All right, so you select the address, you copy the address. All right, so you just paste in the address here. All right, so you continue, yeah, you can see it. All right, so now we are claiming to our Bitget, and hopefully we'll be qualified for the extra airdrop. All right, so this is how you go about your trading regardless of the exchange you are using, in as far as um, what is it called, PAWS is listed here. So on the day of trading, you just have to come here. All right, you see your distribution from 90 on 18. You are going to get your distribution. So take for example, you are selling VAT. This, let's use this VAT as though it is a PAWS. All right, so what you are going to do is just to go ahead here. This is how you go about your trading. So on that day, you go, you search for PAWS. All right, you search for PAWS. It's going to display. All right, so to display, this is pre-market, but it's going to display under spot trading. All right, so like I said, I'm going to use VAT as an example. So this is how it's going to show under spot. So you see, so this is how PAWS is going to show. So you just click on it. So after you click on trade, then you come to sell, then you mark all, make sure it is on market, not limit order. You change this limit order to market order so that you can sell immediately. Then you just click on sell. Right, so once you click on sell, it will sell. So just make sure you do exactly what I said. make sure it is on market, and make sure you switch here to the to 100% so that you can sell 100%. So when you do this, you'll be able to sell your PAWS as early as possible.